Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to remove your Volkswagen Golf emblem. First, gather your essential tools. You will need a heat gun or a hairdryer to gently warm the emblem's adhesive. Also, prepare some strong fishing line or dental floss, a reliable adhesive remover, and several clean microfiber cloths. Before you begin, make sure the area around the emblem is thoroughly washed and dry to prevent any scratches during the removal process. Now, let's get to the core of the removal. Apply heat to the emblem for about 1 to 2 minutes, moving the heat source constantly to avoid paint damage. Once warmed, take a piece of fishing line, roughly 10 to 12 inches long, and carefully slide it behind the emblem. Use a gentle sawing motion, working the line back and forth to cut through the softened adhesive. Continue this process slowly around the entire emblem until it separates from the vehicle's surface. After the emblem is off, you'll likely have some sticky residue left behind. Don't worry, this is normal. Spray your chosen adhesive remover directly onto the remaining glue. Let it sit for a few minutes, allowing it to break down the adhesive. Then, using a clean microfiber cloth or even your fingertips, gently rub the residue away. Be patient and repeat this step as needed until the surface is completely smooth and free of any stickiness. For the final touches, thoroughly wash the debadged area with automotive soap and water to remove any chemical residue. Next, apply a high-quality car polish to eliminate any faint outlines or minor scratches that might remain, often called ghosting. Finish by applying a protective layer of car wax. This will restore the paint's shine and protect the newly exposed surface, leaving your vehicle with a clean, sleek, and emblem-free look.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.